Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the first group, which consists of me, Amelia, Hana, Anissa Nurul, Elmia, Siti Yulaika, and Disa Wahyu want to present our thesis proposal.
Chapter 1 Introduction. A background of study. Nowadays, English is already taught as local content subject at elementary school in Indonesia. In addition, English has been taught in junior high school to university as compulsory subject. This fact proves that English is important to be learned by all students. In studying English, students develop all skills. There are 4 basic skill competence that students should master. They are reading, listening, reading, and speaking. Every skill has its one goal to be researched as the requirement of English mastery. On the language skill that should be learned by English learners is speaking. Speaking is considered as necessary skill because its essential role in facilitating learners to master English. It enables students to express themselves creatively, imaginatively, and to communicate with others effectively, according to MC Donok and so in unique. In many content, speaking is often the skill upon which a person is judged at face value. In other words, people may often form judgment about our language competence from our speaking rather than from any of the other language skill. B is identification of the problem. The first problem comes from the materials which are used in the teaching and learning process. In the speaking class, the material do not match with the student needs. That are oral skill practice. The teacher use some textbook as material resources, but most students do not have the textbook to deal with this. The teacher sometimes reads the material on the whiteboard, then the students write their notes in their box. However, there are students who do not read in the material in their books. The second problem is the method. In the teaching and learning process, the teacher usually explains in the material while the students are listening. However, many students are busy with themselves. When the teacher is presenting the material, the students do not get involved in the teaching and learning process. Some of them walk around and some others are busy talking with their friends. The teacher does not create interesting activity which can make the student involved in the lesson. Pair work and group work are rarely done in the class, although this activity can make the process involved in the teaching and learning process. The third problem is the related to the media in the teaching and learning process. The teaching rarely use interesting media that can encourage the student interest. She only use markers and a whiteboard. The lack of interesting teaching media makes the teaching and learning process boring for the student. Then the students are not motivated to be involved in the teaching and learning process. The fourth problem is related to the learning strategy. Learning strategies that are one of many aspects that contribute to the success of the learning process. However, the students are not aware of the use of learning strategies. During the teaching and learning process, they do not pay attention to the teacher. Some of them talk to their friends in the speaking class. Some of them refuse to perform within. This is their fun. C is limitation of problem. Based on the formulation of the problem above, that researcher intends to knowing student problem in speaking and strategy in overcoming speaking problem for 6 semester. Student of English Education Department, Faculty of Adab and Language, Raden Massaid State Islamic University, Surakarta.
Next, formulation of problem. The problem statement are: number 1 is, what are the speaking problem faced by the 6th semester student of English Education Department in Islamic University of Raden Massaid, Surakarta. Next, are the student strategies in overcoming speaking problem of 6th semester at English Education Department in Islamic University of Raden Massaid, Surakarta. The next is objectives of study. The objectives of the study are: number 1, to find out the reason why speaking problem faced by the 6th semester students of English Education Department in Islamic University of Raden Massaid, Surakarta. Number 2 is to identify strategies that is suitable used by the speaking problem faced by the 6th semester students of English Education Department in Islamic University of Raden Massaid, Surakarta. The next is benefit of the study. The benefit of the study are: the first one is theoretical, the second one is practical. In the practical, divided into 5, namely of the study. The benefit of the study are: the first one is theoretical, the second one is practical. In the practical, divided into 5, namely number 1 is readers, number 2 researchers, number 3 6th semester student, number 4 English Education Department, and the last another researchers. The next is definition of key terms. To avoid misunderstanding of the key terms used in the study, the researchers as defined as follow. Number 1, student strategies. The method and activities that will be used by students to attain the goals. Number 2 is overcoming to get the better of in competition struggle. In this study, overcoming is considered as an effort to make speaking skill in better. Number 3, speaking, an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information. Number 4, problem, something that is difficult to deal with or understand. The last but not least is speaking problem, something difficult in an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information.
Okay, chapter 2 is review of literature, and then the A, previous study. The first research, the authors, Ari Prastaningrum, Lelawati, and Zahratul Fikni, and the title, Coming Speaking Problems. And your research is 2020, and the subject, students of Hamzawandi University, Nusa Tenggara Barat. Of the research, this is about the strategies of English as students in overcoming speaking problem. And then this is to overcome this problem, the students' strategies in this journal were prepared, taught, and have some activity. And then the second research, the author is Ari Kurnia, title English Students' Difficulties and Solving Strategies on Learning Speaking English Department Students' Voice at Jambi University. And then the year research is 2015, and then the subject is English Department Students' Voice at Jambi University, and the problem, this research focuses on students' difficulties and student solving strategies on learning speaking. The researchers concluded that the difficulties faced by the participant were in grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. And in the result of research, the participants use various strategies to overcome two difficulties such as listening to music, watching movies, talking to friends, and playing games in English. And the last one is the third research, the author by Ananda Ayu Putri Ellawinanti, title The Student Strategies in Overcoming Speaking Problem of 4th Semester at English Department of Tarbiyah Faculty in Islamic University of Sunan Talia, Saifuddin, Jambi. And then the year research is 2021. The subject, students 4th semester at English Department of Tarbiyah Faculty. And the problem of research, the problems faced by the students in learning speaking were inhibition, nothing to say, low or uneven participation, and mother tongue use. It was because they didn't master the three primary elements of speaking, namely vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. And the result of the researchers, this research revealed that there were 11 strategies, but there are some practicing speaking English, there are taking notice to role model, watching English movies, and building confidence when speaking English.
B. Theoretical review. Definition of speaking. According to Bonnke et 2010, talking is one of the four macro talents that ought to be evolved as imply of empower verbal exchange in first of second language context. It mattered that during four talents of English, talking is one of the essential matters for the cause of language verbal exchange. Thus, talking talent might be described as one of the four macro talents in first or second language, This is categorized to the efficient oral talent that is make use of as an interactive procedure of man or woman together. That means that includes producing, receiving, and processing statistic to carry that means. Next, the characteristic of speaking. The first one is clustering fluent speech in phrasal. No longer phrase via way of means of phrase. Learner can arrange their output through such clustering. And then number two, reducing the speaker has a possibility to make that means clearer through the redundancy of language. And then number three, reduced pronunciation constraints, elision, decreased vowels, etc. All steps unique troubles in coaching spoken language. And then number four is performance of variables. Number five, column lingual language make certain that scholars are moderately properly familiar with the words, idioms, and terms of colingual language, and scholars get exercise in generating those hierarchy. And then number six, rate of transport. Another function of fluency is change or of transport. The project in getting to know spoken language is newbie obtain a suitable piece together with different attributes of fluency. And then number seven, stress, rhyme, and intonation. The stress time of spoken English and its intonation styles bring vital message. And then number eight, interaction learning to provide force of language in a vacuum without interrupters might rob speak talent of its richest component, the creativity of conversation negotiation. Next, the element of speaking. There are three elements of speaking. The first one is the speakers, and then number two, the listener, and then the last one is the utterance. The next is student strategies in overcoming speaking problem. To get the specific which means whistles, the Rockies are engaged in verbal exchange. They are trying to count on their problems in expressing their idea. These techniques can be a powerful manner, however, no longer a useful manner for FLL college students to study overseas language. In many experiences, maximum college students can infrequently specify their thoughts of solution in a bendy manner. This is to mention they probably have no longer discovered to suppose overseas language concurrently whilst they're talking it. And then the class of communic techniques. The first one is avoiding communic, and then adjust the message, adjust. Next, the class of communicate techniques. The first one is avoiding communicate, and then number two is adjust the message. Number three, use approximation, learners explicit, and then use of paraphrase, and then use non-linguistic sources, and then the last one is seek assist.
Alright, we move on to the chapter 3, which is the research methodology. The first one is research design. The researcher used a descriptive qualitative design in the study. Descriptive qualitative research is research conducted by describing situation, problems, phenomena, and issues occur when conducting research that produce the data in the form of word and the expression of experience from its source. The researchers wants to describe about how are the strategies used by students of 6th semester at English Education Department in Islamic University of Raden Mas Said Surakarta in overcoming speaking problems.
Next is research setting. The first is place of the research. The researcher conducted this research in Islamic University of Raden Mas Said Surakarta of the 6th semester at English Education Department Study Program students in academic year of 2021-2022. Selanjutnya adalah research setting. Yang pertama, waktu penelitian. Jadi peneliti ini meneliti di UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta, mahasiswa semester 6 pendidikan bahasa Inggris di tahun akademik 2021-2022. The second is time of the research. This research has been carried out during the learning time of English education students in the 2021-2022 academic year. This research will take place from April to June 2022 at UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta. Yang kedua adalah waktu penelitian. Waktu penelitian ini diambil di waktu pembelajaran di Fakultas Adab dan Bahasa di mahasiswa pendidikan bahasa Inggris semester 6, yaitu pada waktu April sama dengan Juni 2022.
The next is the research subject. The subject of this study are 15 students from Class A until Class H. But in this study, researchers choose 3 students from Class A because from pre-research, they answer the pre-research question more complete and coherent than the other participants.
And next is data and source of the data. First, data. The data in this research are the answer or opinions of 6th semester students in the Department of English Education at Raden Mas Said Islamic University, Surakarta, in the academic year 2021-2022 in their strategies to overcome speaking problems. Jadi data di research ini diambil dari hasil kuesioner atau jawaban atau opini dari mahasiswa pendidikan bahasa Inggris semester 6 di UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta, yang mana kita menggunakan instrumen kuesioner yang dibagikan melalui link dan dibagikan ke mahasiswa pendidikan bahasa Inggris semester 6 di kelas 6A. Dan kita mengambil sampel 15 orang. And second, source of the data. The source of data in this research is questionnaire. The questionnaire is one of the primary data collection. This method is a direct data collection to respondent through filling out a survey. Jadi sumber datanya kita adalah di penelitian ini adalah questionnaire. Jadi questionnaire adalah salah satu bentuk data primer yang mana ini merupakan direct data collection untuk para responden untuk mengungkapkan atau memberikan jawaban dari survei atau questionnaire yang kita bagikan.
The next is research instrument. The first instrument that the researcher used is interview. In this research, the researcher used semi-structured interview to collect the data from the participant and through interaction between the interviewer and the participants in conducting their interview. In the beginning, the researcher made an interview guideline. After that, the researcher made an appointment with the participant who will be interviewed. While having the appointment with the participant, the researcher arranged the schedule about the time. During the interview, the researcher will use Indonesian language as the participant and the researcher first language. The reason why the researcher used Indonesian language was to avoid bias. During the COVID-19 era, the interview will conducted online by WhatsApp. The interview was captured. And then the second instrument is questionnaire. In this research, the researcher used the combination of closed-ended and open-ended question. Closed-ended questions are provided the optional answer what, that is yes or no, while the open-ended questions are made because the researcher doesn't provide the optional answer. So the students answer the question by their own responses and in their own words. The item of the question is written in English and Bahasa Indonesia for better understanding.
Next is technique of collection the data. The researcher used semi-structured interview to collect the data from the participant and through interaction between the interviewer and the participant in conducting the interview. Then, the researcher composed a number of questions in the form of questionnaire. After that, the researcher distributed questionnaire to all 6 semester student English Education Department of Islamic University of Raden Masaid Surakarta. Jadi peneliti menggunakan semi-struktur interview untuk mengumpulkan data dari para partisipasi dan menggunakan interaksi antara dengan interview dan partisipasi dan menggunakan kuesioner. Kemudian setelah melakukan interview, para peneliti membuat nilai atau daftar pertanyaan yang akan dibuat di kuesioner. Lalu mereka membagikan atau kita mendistribusikan kuesioner kepada mahasiswa semester 6 pendidikan bahasa Inggris dan kita mengambil 15 sampel atau 15 responden. Next is trustworthiness of the data. The researcher used data triangulation, which is it will check the truth information through some method and source of data collection. The researcher will collect the result of interview and questionnaire as a base of data triangulation. Jadi peneliti menggunakan data triangulasi yang akan mengecek kebenaran informasi melalui beberapa metode dan sumber data. Dan peneliti menggunakan triangulasi ini untuk mengumpulkan hasil dari interview dan hasil kuesioner yang dibuat dengan data triangulasi.
And the last is techniques of analyzing data. The researcher used Miles and Huberman 1994 for analyzing the data. First is reducing the data. Reducing the data means selecting, focusing, and transforming the data that appear in a node. So after collecting the data through interview from the interviewee, the researcher reduced the data. The researcher will change the result from the interview to English language. Furthermore, the researcher will be sorting out unnecessary data from disposal. It is needed to focus on the important things. And the second is displaying the data. Data displaying are presented in the form of brief descriptions. The researcher gets the data displayed through the conclusion of the strategies that students used. In the other world, in this displaying data, the researcher will describe how are the students of 6 semester English program strategies in face the speaking problem. Thus, displaying data is needed to present set of structured information and give the basic description of the conclusion. And the last is conclusion. After reducing and displaying the data, the researcher will make the conclusion based on the general view towards the result of the collected data. The conclusion of this research will be the description of the students' learning strategies in face speaking problems. Alright, that's all. Thanks for your attention and hope this video can be useful for our knowledge. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.